In this video, I will show you how you can fix the network or the SIM card error on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just use any SIM card ejection tool and insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole on your Oppo phone. Now from here, just take out the SIM card tray. And from here, just remove the SIM card with which you are facing the problem. Now just look for any damage or corrosion on the SIM card. And also try to use the SIM card on any other device to check if the issue is with your SIM card or not. After you do that, then just place the SIM card in the SIM card tray and insert the SIM card tray in your Oppo phone. Now, after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. From here, just tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Now on this page, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Then just tap on Enter Password and enter your lock screen PIN. Now just select Reset, and by doing that, you will reset all the network settings on your Oppo phone. Now do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your Oppo phone. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Oppo phone. To do that, just press and hold the power button on your Oppo phone until you see the power menu on the screen. But if the power button of your Oppo phone is mapped to launch the digital assistant instead of the power menu, then in that case, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. After you do that, you will see the power menu on the screen. Then just swipe up and select Restart. Once the restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Oppo phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the network or the SIM card error on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.